What's up? I'm also installing some new plug wires on this 1990 Chevy K1500. And if you're wondering which end of the wire goes where, you notice these little ribs that are inside the boots here. These go up at the distributor up top. Okay? Which means the smooth end, which is at the other side, inside here is perfectly smooth. I'm sure you can't see that, but anyway, it's smooth inside there. There's no ribs. Those are what's go around the spark plugs. Okay? Ribs up top, and it has lettering too. I notice there's a letter right here, and this one is shaped differently also than the other end. So that's the one that goes up top. And I also recommend that you get a pair of spark plug boot pullers. They may not be necessary, but they sure make life easier. You can get those at any, hardware or auto parts store. Very easy to use, so it just makes it easy, especially if you got, stuff that'll slice your hand open while you're trying to pull the boots off. Anyway, inexpensive, makes life easy, and I have lots of different uses for those things too, more than just spark plug boot pulling. Anyway, I just thought somebody may want to know about that because I did not know that either, which end went where. So there you go. Check out other videos. I got more going on with this truck. 1990 Chevy K1500 5.7. See y'all later.